Hi, it's Patty from Thronateeska. Today we're going to look at some properties of light that involve mirrors and make something that is really cool, a kaleidoscope. Now, there are multiple ways that you can make a kaleidoscope, but basically what you need is some kind of tube. So we're going to make one version where we have a Pringles can, and then there's also a version where you have like a toilet paper or a paper towel roll. You need something that's reflective, and it could even be like these little dollar store reflective stars. You can buy these for $1, you get 5 of them. You can use an aluminum can. I'll show you how to do that. You're going to need something to put in your kaleidoscope and a little piece of plastic, any kind of plastic, some tape, little decorative objects. Now, let's first of all do the Pringles can type. If you do the Pringles can, you're going to need an adult to help you out with this, but you're going to take a hammer and punch a little hole right through this side. Hopefully an adult that's good with hammering nails. Okay, so all I need is a little bitty hole. If you want more light to come in, you can make it a little bit bigger by using a bigger nail, or you can move it around. Now, you want to put something on the inside of here that is reflective. It needs to be near the top. An aluminum can works just fine. An aluminum can be cut with a pair of scissors, okay? But you need to watch out, and an adult needs to do this, because you can also, so I'm not going to cut the whole thing, I've already cut it, but just to show you how easy it is to cut with scissors. Now, you got to be careful because it could cut you. It is a little bit sharp. So adults, you want to make sure and get all the rough edges off of it. And it's best if it fits snugly inside your can. So I'm just going to take some tape and put on the outside of it like this, just so that it's not slipping around in the can. And it needs to go down towards this end with the hole in it. And you need to secure it in place. Now, with the little plastic container, you're going to put some objects inside of here. And I've just got some glitter, but you can put all kinds of different glitter in there, different colors, or you can put little shapes. And just take any little piece of plastic. And the whole reason for the plastic is so that it is not falling out everywhere. But you're going to put it on your Pringles can. You're going to shine it up to the light. You can twist it around, and you'll be able to see the little pieces reflected back and forth and bounce off each of the mirrors inside of there. So that's one way to do it with an aluminum can. Or you could even have 2 aluminum cans in here if you like. Now another way to do it is to take these little stars, and what we need are 3 sides. Now notice our aluminum can was a circle, but here what we're going to do is have 3 sides. Or if you have 3 small mirrors, you can just take those 3 small mirrors and tape them together so that they form a triangle. And what I love about these is they have this nice reflective surface, and they're very easy to work with, and they're very inexpensive. So in order to cut it, I just fold each end like this. I put a little piece of tape on here. I cut the little ends of the stars off. Do 3 of them this way, tape them together, and you have 3 little mirrors. Okay, so now if you want, you can put this inside here. It just needs to be secured again with the tape. Make sure it's in there real thoroughly, real well. And this is something that you can do without your parents because that's not going to be hurting you. And again, you're going to put your lid on here with your little decorations. Point it up to the light, look through the holes, and you're going to be able to see all the little images reflected off of each other. It's pretty cool to look at, pretty inexpensive to do, and you have to eat the Pringles before you do it. Have fun.